Hi, my name is Amit Ramani. I'm the founder and CEO of Office. Office is in the business of providing co-working spaces across India. We are the largest in India today with 25,000 seats across 9 cities and across 55 centers. We are obviously already in Hyderabad, and our current plans are to expand exponentially in Hyderabad. We started the Hyderabad journey about 2 years ago. Today we operate about 2,000 seats across 4 centers. We are here to announce the expansion into Raidurg and additional centers at High Tech City, which will take our total seat capacity in the next 60 to 90 days to close to about 5,000 seats, which we again look to double over the next 1 year to about 10,000 seats by expanding into additional markets such as Begumpet, Financial District, and more centers in High Tech City and Gachibowli. Every city has, and every micro market, in fact, and every city has a little bit of a different client base that we have. In some locations, there's a higher percentage of SMEs that take up space. In some locations, there's a combination of corporates, SMEs, and startups. So depending on the location, the kind of mix changes. So for example, our centers in Vashi, we have a lot of KPO clients there. But when we come to a center like Taj Deccan, there are a lot of corporate type clients here as well. So the basic seat comes with tea, coffee, wireless, and basic printing included. In addition, we do a lot of different events at all of our centers. We also have a lot of alliances that we have tied up with, which will offer discounts to our community members and preferential pricing to our community members. We are also with the largest network of 9 cities and 55 centers are able to provide the network effect to people. So people, when they travel from, let's say, Hyderabad to Mumbai, they can on the go book a seat or a meeting space, so it provides them that Uber kind of a feel where they're able to do their business on the fly and essentially use the space on the go. Clearly one is the network effect. With the largest network, you're able to not only use a space with us in Hyderabad, you can use a space across India, 8 additional cities going to 15 cities. Second, we focus very intrinsically on what we can offer beyond a workspace to our people. So clearly from our side, when we look at the whole real estate space, to us it's REEE, it's about engagement, enablement, and experience. So we do a lot of events, which some could be fun, some could be mentor type events. So we bring all that to the table. And then ultimately, this is a hospitality play. I think the kind of service that we offer and the way we take care of our community members, I think is way ahead of everybody else. And that's why we, have a community that loves us and community that continues to, bless us with their, presence and their business. So we'll focus it to double capacity. We'll go from roughly 25 to 40,000 seats in the next 12 odd months. Then we'll continue the expansion. So from our side, we feel that the depth of the Indian market is so deep that the clear advantage is to continue to provide this in not only tier 1 cities and the metros, but also go to tier 2 and 3 cities in the future. As India expands, we want to be kind of the workspace of choice for the new young age India, and we want to continue to support the expansion of India with providing just-in-time user spaces of our co-working spaces at Office.
So, with respect to the trend about co-working space, when we started about 3 years back, there were almost about 5 players, and in total would be about 7 to 8 centers. Right now, there are about 200 to 300 players, and the number of centers would be more than 400 or 500. So, it's interesting that the kind of growth this segment has taken. Co-working has become a mainstream commercial real estate around. Now, just to take an example, let's say it take about 5 to 7 years from black and yellow taxis to migrate to Ola and Uber. It took people about 5 to 7 years. With respect to co-working spaces, for SMEs and mid-sized corporates, they are just taking about 3 years. Our growth in the last 3 years, we have become India's largest co-working player with about 55 centers and 25,000 seats. Very clearly testifies that as well. We have 6 centers in Hyderabad, including the 2 which we announced today, and creating to a total of about 5,000 seats over here. Our seats pricing is from about 5,000 rupees per seat per month to about 10,000 rupees per seat per month. It varies from product to product. And we also offer daily packages where one can just book a seat from our app on a daily basis at about 350 rupees per day. You can just simply book a meeting room for about 300 bucks an hour. So everyone has a option available. So we would be having a market share of about 30 to 40% in the thing, because the sector is still evolving, and as I mentioned, it's there are about 300 odd players in the market, but sizable. I think there are about 5 to 7 players, and we have a very considerable lead than the second largest player. See, unlike e-commerce, this is a brick and mortar service driven and retail business. So what we expect is there would be almost about 5 or 7 players who would thrive and capture the larger market share. It's similar to a scenario when one say there would be about 5 or 7 banks in a particular sector. So we expect the competition to be there, and we feel that almost in about 12 to 18 months, when the things cool off, there would be about 5 or 7 large players who would be operating across India. That's a very interesting side with respect to why people are preferring co-working. For startups, real estate is a big problem, so it's an obvious choice. For small and medium enterprises which are operating out of tier 2 spaces, the co-working spaces offer an opportunity to upgrade themselves into a better infrastructure, more premium spaces. With respect to larger corporates, the reason primarily is they are moving their capital expenditure to operating expenditure. Second, with respect to their regional offices, they don't want to go through the process of managing and maintaining the whole show. So it becomes hassle-free for them. So that's the reason why we see a lot of business coming from SMEs and larger corporates. So we have a very large presence in Bangalore with about 12 centers which are already live. Chennai is a market which we haven't entered, but we intend to set up our first center in the next 60 days. Then apart from these 3, we are very actively exploring Vizag as of now. So with respect to our other expansion plans, we are looking to move from about 55 centers and grow to about 90 centers in the next 12 months, taking our seat total to 40,000 from the 25,000 current. So we intend to maintain our leadership position in the sector. We are also adding more cities. Our new center at Chandigarh is just going live. We are also tapping new tier 2 cities like Bhubaneswar, Indore and Jaipur.